What's up, everybody? Today is June 1st, 2024, and you're looking at a daily chart of the S&P 500. Is the selling over? That was the #1 question traders in our group were asking on Friday after we went long the SPY 522 call options that ended up going from red to green, delivering a whopping 232% gain in a single day after hitting our 520 target that I shared with you in the previous video. If you missed that, I'll leave a link in the description below. To answer the question whether or not the selling is over, what we want to see is price close over the 528.12 level, with the keyword being close over that key level, not just a quick run-up and run back down. By closing over this key level of 528.12, the market is telling us that buyers are in control. Should we see a close over this key level, the next resistance level comes in around 533.50. Should price be unable to close back above this downtrend line, yet the next key support level comes in near the 525 level to 524 level, where I'll be watching for the S&P 500 to turn around to possibly make another run at the 533.50 level, with the next key resistance level above that at 537.40. On the downside, the next support levels will likely come into play if the S&P 500 is able to close above the downtrend line or at 521, and then 518.50 to retest the lows from last Friday. I don't expect that to happen if the S&P 500 is able to close back over the 528.12 level next week. Taking a look at the NASDAQ QQQ's QQQ, we want to see price clear the 454.76 level next week. The NASDAQ 100 didn't have the short squeeze that we saw in the S&P 500 last week, so it will be interesting to see if we can see the QQQ retest its downtrend line like the S&P 500 did. Should we see the NASDAQ close above the 454.76 key level, then the next upside resistance levels are 456.80 and 458. On the downside, should the NASDAQ be unable to close above the downtrend line at 454.76, then the next downside support level targets are 449.50 and 447. The next chart I want to analyze is the small caps Russell 2000. And like the S&P 500 chart, the Russell 2000 did test its downtrend line on Friday, but was also unable to close above that key level. We want to see IWM close back above the 206.50 level to signal the coast is clear to start selling puts again and going long call options, with the next upside target being 206.80 and 207.72. And on the downside, we want to keep the 205 and 204 levels on our radar as buyable supports the first time they are tested.